Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about trigonometric equations. So yes, learn about algebraic equations, isn't it? So algebraic equation consists of the polynomials and it will be equal to 0, and trigonometric equations is which we are going to see about the unknown angles, that is the equation containing trigonometric functions of unknown angles are known as trigonometric equations. A solution of trigonometric equation is the value of unknown angle that satisfies the equation, okay? But some of the equations may not have a solution at all. For example, when you are having sine theta is equal to 3 by 2, it does not as a solution, since sine theta lies between -1 to +1. Similarly, cos theta also, okay. So, it lies between -1 to 1, it does not have any value. And then if sine theta is equal to 0, it has infinitely many solutions. இல்லையா? Infinitely many solution. ஏன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா theta can be equal to plus or minus pi, plus or minus 2 pi, etc. plus or minus 3 pi, plus or minus 4 pi. For every pi, sin theta will be equal to 0. So, for this trigonometric equations, we are going to see two types of solution. One is general solution and the another one is particular solution. Okay, so we are going to see with the two solution. One is general solution and another one is particular solution. Okay, so we are going to see two types of solution. One is general and another one is particular. General solution of a trigonometric equation gives all the admissible values. என்னென்ன values இருக்குமோ எல்லா valuesையும் கொடுக்கிறது தான் general solution. So gives all the admissible values, okay, with the help of periodic of a trigonometric function. Principal solution na take smallest numerical value satisfying the equation in the interval. Takes smallest numerical value in the interval 0, 2 pi or minus pi, pi. Okay, so both are will be in the same place. 0, 2 pi na 0 la vandu nikkum, minus pi, pi nalo it comes to pi le vandu nikkum illaya. Appo one principal solution, sorry, I have written as particular solution, it is principal solution. Okay, so all the admissible values can be taken for general solution. Only it takes the smallest numerical value in the interval, the minus pi, pi, that gives the principal solution. Okay, so in principal solution, sine value lies in the interval, closed interval, minus pi by 2, pi by 2. For cos value, principal solution of cos value, cos function cosine lies in the interval 0, pi, and then tan value, that is tangent, has the interval, open interval, minus pi by 2, plus pi by 2. So you have to recall all this. நமக்கு இப்போ டேனோ கொசிக்கனோ இல்லை சீக்கனோ வந்துச்சுன்னா 1/ன்னு இதை மாற்றிட்டு நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ மைனஸ் பை பை 2 to pi by 2னா எந்த குவாட்ரண்ட்? மைனஸ் பை பை 2 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 will be this and minus pi by 2 will be this. So it lies with this quadrant. அப்போ இது second quadrant and this one is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, isn't it? So it lies in which quadrant? minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, from this to this. So it lies in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. So this is in first and fourth quadrant. Okay. So sine lies in first and fourth quadrant. Similarly, tan also lies in first and fourth quadrant. 0 to pi. 0 to pi na in the quadrant la irukonu paru. 0 to pi. So from this to this. This is 0 and this is pi. So it lies in first and second quadrant. So cos always have the answer in first and second quadrant. Okay. And tan again it lies in first and fourth quadrant. Okay. So we have to know about the principal solution first. And then we shall go with the formula of trigonometric equation and general solution. It will be very useful when you are doing the problems. So let us have the formula. This is trigonometric equations and general solution. Trigonometric equations. Here we can write down the general solutions. Okay. So we will have three formula. I have split it into two halves. Sin theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0 and tan theta is equal to 0. Okay. So when sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Cos theta equal to 0, theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. And here also theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay. So for this three we have to listen to this. Whenever theta is equal to 0. Next one, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, where alpha belongs to the interval minus pi by 2 comma close interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, where n belongs to z. Okay. Next, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, where alpha belongs to the closed interval 0 comma pi. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Always we have to write down n belongs to z in the general solution. The last one is tan theta equal to tan alpha, where alpha belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. So students, you have to be very thorough with this 6 formulae. Whenever the value for sine, cos, tan is equal to 0, what is the general solution? And whenever it is equal to another angle, what will be the general solution? So memorize all these 6. It will be very helpful in 11th as well as in 12th standard. So we are going to do the problems using this. So first memorize all this. Whenever you are writing the general solution, you have to write n belongs to z. Okay. Now let us go with the exercise problems. Exercise 3.8, problem number 1. There are exercise 3.8. Find the principal and general solution of the following. Find the principal and general solution of the following. Okay. So first subdivision. The problem is given as sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. First, let us find out second subdivision. It is given as cot theta equal to root 3, and third subdivision it is given as tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay, 3 problems we are going to do. There are many problems in your example, so you can try it in your homework with the example problems. So first we are going to try with the principal solution of sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Let us take first problem. Sin theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. The principal value of sin theta, principal value of sin theta lies in which quadrant? It lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Close bracket minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In which quadrant it lies? First and fourth quadrant. Since sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2 lesser than 0, sin theta lies in which quadrant? எங்க இருக்கும்? First and fourth quadrant. இதுல எதுல வந்து sin வந்து negative? இதுல தான் sin வந்து negative. Fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant. So it lies in fourth quadrant. So we can write sin theta is equal to minus, what is the value for 1 by root 2? Pi by 4. So this can be written as sin of minus pi by 4. Because we know that sin theta is an odd function. So minus sin theta நம்ம எழுதுவோம். அப்ப minus sin theta can be written as sin of minus theta. Okay. So we can use this. Now what is the theta here? In this place, இங்க வந்து sin theta இருக்கு. இங்க வந்து sin of minus pi by 4 இருக்கு. Therefore, theta is equal to minus pi by 4 is the principal solution. So it is the principal solution. Okay, so we got the principal solution. Now we need to find out the general solution. What is the general solution? General solution is sin theta க்கு general solution என்ன? Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, where n belongs to z. Okay. Here what is alpha? இங்க வந்து நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இத வந்து sin theta is equal to sin alpha அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி எடுக்கணும். அப்ப இங்க alpha நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? minus pi by 4 ன்னு இருக்கு ப்ராப்ளம்ல. Okay, so we can write this as theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into minus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. So this is the general solution. So you can write down the general solution like this. Okay. Next problem, it is given with cot theta equal to root 3. Second subdivision, cot theta equal to root 3. So first change it in the form of tan. Cot can be written as 1 by tan theta equal to root 3. So this can be cross multiplied and you can write it as tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 and it is greater than 0. Therefore tan theta lies in which quadrant? Tan theta lies in, actually tan theta oda value first and fourth quadrant தான். அப்போ all silver tea cups first and fourth quadrant. So இங்க வந்து cupsங்கறனால இங்க தான் tan வந்து நெகட்டிவா இருக்கும். So positive will be first quadrant. So lies in first quadrant. Okay. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 tan ல எங்கமா வரும்? Tan 30 degree. 30 degree na pi by 6. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 6 is the principal solution. Is the principal solution. Okay. Next one, we need to find out the general solution, isn't it? General solution is theta is equal to, general solution theta equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Here what is alpha? Alpha equal to pi by 6. Okay. So we can write down the answer theta equal to n pi plus pi by 6 where n belongs to z. So this is the answer for general solution. Next, let us go with the third subdivision. Third subdivision, it is given as tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 less than 0 lies in fourth quadrant. Lies in fourth quadrant. Tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3 lies in fourth quadrant. So tan theta is equal to minus tan pi by 6. Tan வந்து என்ன function? Odd function. So we can write this as tan of minus pi by 6. Okay, fourth quadrant na minus pi by 6 nu varum angle. So tan of minus pi by 6. Therefore theta equal to minus pi by 6 is the principal solution. Is the principal solution. Okay. Next one, we need to write down the general solution. General solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Here alpha is equal to minus pi by 6, isn't it? So we can write this as theta is equal to n pi minus pi by 6 comma n belongs to z. So this is the method to find out the principal solution and the general solution. Okay, now let us go to the problem number 2, solving the equations, trigonometric equations. When the interval lies in the interval 0 to 60 degree, avangale kuduthirukanga. Solve for theta lies between 0 degree less than equal to theta less than 360 degree. அப்போ less than 2 pi னு அர்த்தம். சரியா? இது வந்து meaning. Okay? So 2 pi க்கு உள்ள values மட்டும் தான் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். More than 2 pi யோ 2 pi யோ நமக்கு ஆன்சர்ல வராது. Okay? So first problem is given as sin power 4x is equal to sin square x. நம்ம இதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இதை ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷனாக நம்ம கொண்டு வரணும். அப்படின்னா தான் சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ லெட் அஸ் டேக் sin power 4x to that side. அப்போ sin square x minus sin power 4x is equal to 0. இதில் இருந்து sin square x வெளில எடுத்துக்கோ. அப்போ 1 minus sin square x is equal to 0னு வரும். So we can write this as sin square x into, what is 1 minus sin square x? Cos square x is equal to 0. எப்படின்னா sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 நமக்கு தெரியும். அப்போ 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Okay. Now I am going to multiply and divide by 4 in this. Multiply and divide by 4. அப்போ இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x எல்லாத்துக்கும் சேர்த்து ஒரு ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் போட்டுக்கலாம். சரியா? ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் போட்டோம்னா இது 1 by 4, இது 4, இது sin square x, இது cos square x. Now what's the formula here we can use for this? 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Formula use பண்ணு, whole square equal to 0. இப்போ நமக்கு taking square root on முதல்ல 2 அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போயிட்டோம்னா 0 ஆயிரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இதுவும் 0 ஆயிரும். அப்போ sin 2x is equal to 0. அப்போ 0னா we will get n pi இல்லையா? அப்போ 2x is equal to 0 வரலாம், pi இருக்கலாம், 2 pi இருக்கலாம், 3 pi இருக்கலாம், etc. Okay. So what is the value for x? Solveனா நம்ம x ஓட வேல்யூ தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ divide by 2. 0, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 is pi, 3 pi by 2 and the next one 4 pi by 2 is 2 pi. அது வராது. So we have to stop with this since theta lies from 0 degree lesser than 360 degree. So we cannot go with the more values. So இந்த values நமக்கு வேணாம். So 3 pi ஓட stop பண்ணிக்கோ. 4 pi போயிட்ட அப்படின்னா 4 pi by 2 வருமா? It is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi வந்து not belongs to this value. அதனால we can leave it. So we are getting the answer for x is 0 pi by 2 pi and 3 pi by 2. Okay. Next problem. 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. அதாவது second subdivision 2 cos square x plus 1 is equal to minus 3 cos x. So bring minus 3 cos x to this side. So 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us take let cos x is equal to t ன்னு எடுத்துப்போம். அப்போ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம் 2t square plus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. Let us solve this equation. 2 வந்து நான் ரெண்டா ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி 3 கொண்டு வரணும். ஸோ 1 and 2 போட்டுக்கலாம். அடுத்தது 2t 2t இங்க வந்து 1 2. ஸோ இதை நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா what you are getting the factors 2t plus 1 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. அப்போ we can write this as t plus 1 equal to 0 or 2t plus 1 equal to 0. அப்போ tங்கிற இடத்துல cos x. அப்போ cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So cos x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 value for cos x is pi, isn't it? So we can write this is equal to cos pi. So answer for x is equal to pi here. Next this side 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 cos x is equal to minus 1. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 na cos lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant na எப்பவுமே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ pi minus pi by 3. cos வந்து எப்படி எழுதணும் pi minus pi by 3. அப்ப x is that is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3 now we are getting x is equal to 2 pi by 3 or if it is lying in third quadrant fourth quadrant la irukkalam illaya. So one more thing we shall go அதாவது 2 cos x is equal to 1 that is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3 comma cos of pi plus pi by 3. ஏன் இப்படி போடுறேன் அப்படின்னா cos வந்து இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா where it will become as negative all silver tea cups. அப்போ நெகட்டிவ் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துலையும் நெகட்டிவாக இருக்கும். அப்போ செகண்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட்னா we have to take it as pi minus pi by 3 ஏன்னா இதுக்கு கீழே அப்போ பையிலேருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும். இது வந்து கூட அப்போ pi plus pi by 3 you have to add with pi by 3 angle. ஸோ இங்கே ரெண்டும் தான் cos வந்து நெகட்டிவாக இருக்கும். ஸோ pi minus pi by 3 and pi plus pi by 3. ஓகே ஸோ for both we have to find out ஏன்னா up to 360 degree 360 டிகிரிக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் நம்ம ஆங்கிள்ஸை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதனால செகண்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட்ல என்னவா இருக்கும் and then in this is in second quadrant and this is in third quadrant. Fourth quadrantல it become positive and first quadrant also it become positive. So we can write cos x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3 comma cos 4 pi by 3 ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். So x is equal to 2 pi by 3 comma 4 pi by 3. So we can write down the final value. The solution is x is equal to pi comma 2 pi by 3 comma 4 pi by 3. So this is the answer for the problem, that is the solution is x is equal to this. Similar to this you can try with the next problem as homework. So I am going to do with subdivision 4 now. It will be easier for you to understand with problem number subdivision 3. So now subdivision 4, let us go. Fourth sum, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 sin x. அப்போ இது cos 2xங்கிறத நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்கொயர் ஃபார்மேட்டில் எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we can write using the formula of cos 1 minus 2 sin square x. ஏன்னா நமக்கு இந்த பக்கம் sin இருக்கிறனால இதை sin ஃபார்முலாலே கொண்டு வா 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus 3 sin x. Okay, 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So we can write minus 2 sin square x on the side எடுத்துட்டு வந்தோம்னா 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Here we can take sin x as common. 2 sin x minus 3 equal to 0. So we can write as sin x is equal to 0 or 2 sin x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So 2 sin x minus 3 equal to 0 and sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to 0 na x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi and here we can write it as 2 sin x is equal to 3. Sin x is equal to 3 by 2 not possible. ஏன் not possible? First எடுத்தோடனே நான் எக்ஸாம்பிளில் சொன்னேன் இதே வேல்யூ தான் சொன்னேன். It is not possible since x value ranges from minus 1 to plus 1. It is 1.5, so it is not possible. அப்போ x is equal to n pi na, therefore x is equal to 1 pi கொடுக்கலாம். 2 pi நம்ம கொடுக்க முடியாது. Since the value for theta lies between 0 degree lesser than theta less than 360 degree problemல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ x is equal to 0 கொடுக்கலாம் or otherwise pi கொடுக்கலாம். n equal to 0 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா 0 வரும், 1 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா pi வரும், 2 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா 2 pi வந்துரும். Therefore the solution for this problem is x is equal to 0 comma pi. This solution is not possible. So with this today's class is over. Tomorrow we shall continue with problem number 3 with a different product to sum to product formula use பண்ணி அதுவும் solving the trigonometric equations தான். So let us go with the problem tomorrow. Today your homework is to continue with problem number 2 third subdivision homework சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அடுத்தது example problemsல principal general solution homeworkல எடுத்துக்கலாம். 3.42, 43, 44 and 4.5 also you can try. It is similar to this 4.4. Okay. So 4.2 lende you can try with 4.5. So your homework is example 3.42 to 4.4 and exercise 3.8 problem number 2 subdivision 3. Okay. So do this problem as homework. Thank you students.